Well, my friends, DoorDash has just cut rates for drivers. Take a load of this, my friends. Thank you for coming back to the channel. This is Dylan, the Rideshare Hub. Keep it. Also, if you've been deactivated by DoorDash or another gig company, there's a service down below that's helping drivers get reactivated. Use our referral code down below. Listen to this: Uber Eats and DoorDash drivers are now cutting the gas subsidy program. Uber is ending a program that added a fuel surcharge for customers to help delivery drivers offset the rising cost of gas. Uber Eats plans to discontinue its 45-cent surcharge on June 15, 2022, according to a note sent to Uber Eats drivers. And DoorDash told its drivers it would no longer pay weekly gas bonuses for delivery drivers who drove more than 100 miles a week. Uber and DoorDash still have some fuel price benefit programs for drivers. Both companies have partnered with GetUpside, an app that offers cash back to offset the cost of gas, and DoorDash extended its debit card program that gives drivers cash back when they use the card at the pump. But I've heard from people that DoorDash debit card program is absolutely horse poop, and it's really not helping drivers at all. Delivery drivers complained to Insider that both DoorDash and Uber buried the news of their expiring gas programs, the news that DoorDash was ending its weekly fuel. So share this video, thumbs it up, and keep in mind, guys, is driving for DoorDash, I mean, at least let's contemplate the thought that they don't want us to have, is like, should we keep doing this even though gas prices are still high? And these companies, they don't even want to, spend 45 cents per delivery. So anyways, that's the update for today. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Take care, and yeah, check out the links below. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.